and welcome back to my channel. I am back with a headband in my hair. Hopefully this isn't as annoying as the last time. Today is a very hot day, so I'm already dying, but today's video is one that a lot of you have been waiting for. I never realized how requested all these videos were. I have a friend of mine who watches my videos who's like, when is this one gonna come out? And you already know what it is by the title, but this video is the next installment of the Marvel series. The last one I did was the Fantastic Four. So if you haven't seen it, I'll link it up here in the corner so you can check it out. That one was dedicated to Stan Lee because I made that right around the time that he passed away. But today's video is Spider-Man. Yes, Spider-Man. It is one that a lot of you have been requesting. Y'all have been wanting to see Spider-Man, and I am here to give you Spider-Man. Don't mind that. I just noticed that. Don't mind that. If you don't know who Spider-Man is, it is currently being played by Tom Holland. And if you don't know an amazing Spider-Man cosplayer, check out Santa Rosa Spidey on Instagram. I'll have him linked down below. Amazing Spider-Man cosplayer. He literally is Spider-Man. Not gonna drown out this intro. Let's just get on to Spider-Man. Alright. Throw on your base. We've seen this multiple times. We know what we're doing here. Next, throw on an eye primer. I think we all know this one by now. And then I'm just setting it with a shade that is close to my skin tone. Now for the tricky but not tricky part, I'm taking a light red eyeshadow and I'm blending that into the crease and above the crease and winging it out on the outer corner to kind of go past the end of my eyebrow. I thought this would be perfect for a Spider-Man look, just that really like angular eye. So you really want to make sure that you are pulling it out into that wing shape. And then I am just doing the same thing with a darker red eyeshadow and making sure the wing is more prominent here. You really just want to focus on getting that winged out look. It's going to bring the whole look together in the end. And then I'm taking the darkest red shade that we're going to use, and I'm also blending that into the crease and winging that out as well. Multiple layers, blend it out, take your time. You want to make sure it's all blended and all winged out to how you like it. You can even go in with a brush that has a shade with your skin tone on it, like I am here, to really make sure it's blended. Then I am going in with a thick white eyeliner. I'm using this to actually cut the crease. You can use whatever you like, but make sure it's thick so when you cover up the red eyeshadow, it doesn't turn pink. And then set that with a white eyeshadow so it doesn't transfer up into the red. You want to keep these two separate and stark. Black eyeliner, of course. And then I am taking that second red shade that we used and applying that to the lower lash line and connecting it up to that wing so your whole eye is in that winged shape. And that's really going to help you too with the next step. Which of course is the eyeliner, the whole thing that pulls in the Spidey senses. You're going to be doing webbed eyeliner. It's a lot easier. Just start with a small wing and build from there. It's a lot easier than this looks. You're just going to connect little lines, work in small strokes, and in the end it's going to look great.
Mascara, we all know I hate this. Contour, I'm not doing the strong cheekbones like we did with Captain America. His face is usually hid under a mask, so I'm just applying some warmth to my face while still doing some basic contouring. Applying a white highlight into the inner corner, and then dropping my highlighter all over my lap. But it's okay, it's okay. So first I'm using a white highlighter as a base. Really want to make it bright and pop. Kind of like when water hits spiderwebs, it kind of has that glistening effect. And then I'm putting a blue highlighter on top to kind of pull the blue out of his suit. Now you could totally do a red lip with this. I sticked with a nude, wanting the eyes to be the focus. This is like a dead nude, but it was what I was feeling.
Alright, and that is the finished Spider-Man look. I love this. I love the winged webbed eyeliner. I love this. This might be my favorite Marvel look that I've done. Maybe. It's up there. I really like this. Let me know down below what you guys think of this look. Also let me know what Marvel character you would like to see next. I have a couple of ideas in my head. This was one of the most requested ones, so I decided to do that one next. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Click right over here to watch more of the Marvel series. Click right here to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll catch you on the flip side. Should I do Venom?